What's up? Good morning. I know. I have a hat on in the house. I literally just came from the store. Today is Sunday, and Timothy had a sleepover last night. So there's 4 boys, plus my 2, plus Courtney. So 7 kids here that I have to cook breakfast for. Now, I've gotten multiple comments throughout the last year. Oh, make cooking videos. And I don't. I'll throw a little bit of cooking in some of my videos, but today I'm gonna go ahead and make breakfast for 7 kids. Yes. So we had the sleepover last night. Let me show you. I come downstairs. I mean, it's not as bad as it could be, mind you. But if you look close, there's like popcorn all over the floor and stuff. The couch is not even together. There's crap all over there. I don't know what was going on. The table's dirty. And then there's a sink full of dishes. So yeah, I need to clean up first, and then I'll go ahead and get started on the food. So here's where we're starting. Got a bunch of stuff warming up. Yeah. Right now, we got some turkey bacon cooking. Don't mind my dirty stove, okay? We've got some turkey bacon cooking, some Orida potatoes cooking. Trust me, I have 6 kids. I know they weren't all teenagers at the same time, but I learned to cook smarter, not harder, okay? Can you even imagine me sitting here dicing this many potatoes? Anyway, all my kids don't like potatoes, so this should be just enough. I don't know about the other boys that are here, but my kids don't like them. This should be just enough. These things cook a little bit. We've got the oven preheating. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up a turkey smoked sausage and get that started. All right, so I moved the bacon around a little bit, and this is how our bacon is looking so far. The oven is preheated. It's at 375. This is how the bacon's looking so far. Now, I have a tip for you guys. People who don't really like turkey bacon, we are a strict no pork household. We don't eat any kind of pork. Let me turn the sausage down. We don't eat pork. So, a tip that I have is make your turkey bacon maple and brown sugar. So the way you do that is maybe like about 5 minutes ago while it was cooking, you sprinkle the brown sugar on there and then drizzle just a little regular, you know, your maple syrup. I think I have some now. This one's pretty much gone. I just use anything, you know, it's butterworth. Drizzle that on there and then cook it, flip it over, do the other side. I'm not doing that today because one of the guests is diabetic, so I'm kind of staying away from sugars with this breakfast. But that is definitely an idea that'll help your turkey bacon taste delicious. Here's what we're working with the potatoes. The bacon's done. The sausages are almost done. The eggs, I sprayed a little pan, non-stick, into the non-stick thing. I thought it was ready. I mean, it is bubbling up a little bit on the side, so I guess we're okay. We're gonna cook this. Got distracted with that stupid biscuit mix. Gravy mix, and almost burnt the eggs. I know my kids don't mind eggs cooked a little bit brown, but I don't know about the other kids. Look, guys, horrible. And even though I have that whole box, I don't have. This is 18 eggs. I don't have enough to make new eggs. Package. What is it?
Jay thinks it's my pad, but it's light.
Oh, bring it here. Let's see. It is. Let's see.
I told you.
Oh, yeah, they're light. They're lighter than your other ones.
Let me see. And that with the back plate?
Yeah, with the back plate.
Yeah, this gonna be fire with the back plate.
It feels good.
Yeah.
Can you feel this?
No.
You think I'm about to remind you?
Yeah.
You're wrong.
You know what I said?
You think I'm about to remind you?
Please, I won't say it that was.
No, you're wrong.
Okay, I won't say it.
I know you were ready to eat. Do you want to take something with you? Okay, hold on 1 second. He'll be out there. You're welcome. And if Brayden wants some food, he can come back and get it.
Hey. Stop.
Here is this finished product. Cake, your breakfast. And here's the finished product. I just had to pull out the ketchup, the jelly, all of the condiments, the plates, and utensils.